Present here. Good evening, sir, and the respected people of the society. Each one of you present here. It was one full week of people meeting me at school and telling me, "Man, you're gonna come to our society. Man, we're gonna meet you there." And there was so much of excitement in them that there was no way I could skip this particular day here. Thanks to Lakshmi. Thank you so much. It is my honor to be here because I have many of my friends over here and my little ones who are really excited and they came forth and they're all around me. And what to say, Women's Day is very, very special for all of us. And it is not a day where we stand there on stage and we say that we are better than women, better than men. No, not at all. It is a day for us to reflect on and understand that we have to work together. There is nobody above, nobody below. There is no man above or a woman above a man. It is always equal. It is a day for us to reflect and see what is happening around. Is there something that I can contribute to? So, in a very, very short and nutshell, what I can say is it is how we emulate in the family. Sir rightly picked up, he gave us the story, the complete history behind it. And we have to emulate this at home, where we show a lot of respect to each other. As a teacher at the school, we get to see a lot of unpleasant happenings where children come and share unknowingly a lot of unpleasant things happening at home, which can be avoided. And then we go on to the extent of calling the parents and counseling them, which is impacting the child. So the first thing is very, very important. That is, as parents, let us set an example for our children. And second most important thing is, let us equip both our children, male or female, to handle any situation. Very, very sadly, as a counselor, we have sat through situations where it is very unpleasant to handle. So, as parents, if we can focus on these two things, that is, we emulate best behavior at home, where we ensure that our children understand to respect women and men equally, because maybe atrocities towards women are highlighted more, but there are men also who have to undergo a lot of trouble in life. So it is somehow not highlighted. So being Women's Day, it's not about going, of course, there were days where we had to put it forth, but today things have evolved. We are much ahead. So it's a beautiful time to spend together, and the elderly is such. We have grown up. My dad was in naval aviation, so we used to be transferred every 2 to 3 years. So we have grown up in such communities where every year we would get to meet new people, and these kind of functions help us get united and stay together for a long time. As Sir said, that let this not get over by the celebrations by the end of the day today. Let this become the first community in India to take this initiative forward, where we ensure that everybody is respected. And a lot has to be focused on the elderly also. Very, very sadly, the Vasudhaiva Kutum philosophy is moving off, and when we are very young, we are not respecting our parents, and we are instilling that into our children. So let us be the first community who take it upon ourselves to ensure that we respect each other, plus we respect the elderly people. So I think that I'm through with that. Can't speak anymore. Not used to it. And thank you so much for having me here. And have a wonderful evening. And have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Nirmala. Of course, please sit back and enjoy, because we are having a lot of things lined up, and also, stalls being eagerly put up by the women here. So keep your appetite good. We have a lot more to come.